So that's 13, right?
Yeah, 13.
Try them on.
Yeah, we just robbed it.
Those just came out not too long ago.
Oh, word?
Yeah, they 300, but we're gonna do 280 for you.
300?
280 for you, bro. We're gonna do you right. We're gonna take care of you.
280, right?
Yeah.
Damn, man, 280.
How they feel?
I mean, they feel like I could just.
Yo, man. Where you going, bro? Who's landing?
Nah, I just want to try. I'm gonna make sure I can run in them and shit. You know what I'm saying? Cause you know how like certain sneakers like they fit a little differently. I want to make sure like it don't flap off the back of my foot and everything like that.
Yeah, they feel good though.
Like yeah, nah, they good.
Yeah.
Like, I was definitely gonna buy them. Like I'm not on no bum type time. Like I was gonna buy them. I'm saying like.
You're at the register though, my brother.
But you just said 280.
Nah, 300.
Plus tax.
Plus tax. Plus tax, yeah. They look nice on the foot though.
But I can't 280.